Facing low volume while playing WhatsApp voice messages on your Android phone? Don't worry, I've got some easy troubleshooting steps to help you fix it. This issue could be due to incorrect settings or a problem with your app cache. With the right fixes, you'll be back to normal in no time. Let's dive into the solutions. Now, before trying anything, make sure that your media volume is turned up. Use your phone's volume up and down button to check for the volume level. You can also check for nearby Bluetooth devices. Your phone can sometimes automatically connect to nearby Bluetooth devices, and that can also cause the volume to lower down. After making sure of these, try the advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear WhatsApp cache and force stop. Corrupted cache files can interfere with WhatsApp's functionality. To fix this, tap and hold on to the WhatsApp app icon. Now tap the I button or app info. This will take you to your WhatsApp app settings. Now find the option called storage and tap on it. After that, tap clear cache. When the cache is cleared, go back and tap on force stop to close WhatsApp completely. Now restart your phone. After the restart, open WhatsApp and try the voice message sound once again. Solution 2. Update WhatsApp. A backdated app can sometimes cause issues like this. Open the Google Play Store. Search for WhatsApp. Now make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. If there is any update available, simply install it. After updating, your issue should be fixed. Solution 3. Reinstall WhatsApp. Doing this will make you log out of WhatsApp, so be sure of it before doing this. Now tap and hold on to the WhatsApp app icon. Tap on uninstall. After that, confirm the uninstallation. Then go to the Play Store. Search for WhatsApp. Install it from there. After the reinstallation, open WhatsApp with your credentials, and the problem should be fixed. That's how you can quickly fix the WhatsApp voice message issue on Android phone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. And I'll see you in the next one.